This is the Mouthology stainless steel tongue scraper 2-pack. The company sent this to me so I could check it out. Let's open it up and see what's inside here. Really nice packaging here. Everything is laid out in the front here. It tells you exactly what it is here. Let's open it up. And it also comes with travel cases too. So you get the 2-pack and the 2 travel cases as well. So it comes out of the packaging really nice. So this is one of it right here. Open it up here. So you see it's all stainless steel, which is really nice. It just, let's open it up right at the top here. Just folds over, open it up. See here, it says Mouthology on here, all stainless steel. And just made really nice. You can feel it's not bendable or anything like that. This is some really nice stainless steel here. It's crafted really nicely. Stainless steel, rust-proof, durable, travel-friendly. Very easy to clean. So this is a 1.5 inch space right here to put your tongue through here, and it's just an overall really nice product. I've found out about tongue scraping and I learned more about oil pulling. I've been oil pulling with coconut oil for quite some time. If you're not familiar with oil pulling, you're definitely going to want to check it out. Mouthology is a really great brand for all of this stuff. Oral care with your tongue scraping is definitely an important part of that. So definitely want to check this out. Get this in a 2-pack here. You get the travel case, the 2 tongue scrapers, and it's really, really cool item here.